State asida lariba naha singna tongan ba hiram kaya da hana hotnariba sing asidagi henna hotnahaningi Manipur State Credit Guarantee Scheme gi makhada hojik lupa crore changwa sijinadana bank ta taduna lairi haina Chief Minister N Birena pangthokhre wafam asing Department of Trade, Commerce and Industry, Government of Manipur na sinlang tuna Palace Compound Leba City Convention Center da pangthokhiba micro, small and medium enterprise da khudong chaba kaya pibada natana India gi North Eastern thangba state singin infrastructure, skill development and economic growth singda khumang chawshinabagi pandamda UNNATI and RAM scheme hogdukpagi nongmagi oiba state level workshop amada phongdokhibani Power, Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Bishorjit, CAF and PDA Minister L. Susindro, PWD Amadi YAS Minister Govindas Konthokjam, Social Welfare Minister Haikam Dingo, Transport Minister Khasam Basum, Chief Secretary Prasant Kumar IAS Amadi Principal Secretary Arun Kumar Singha IAS Amadi Atay Minister Emily Kayana Athoiba Mithunan Oiduna Pangthokhiba Thoram Aduda Lamdam Asigi MSME gi Makhada Business Tawriba Kaya Su Sarukya Khiba Thoram Aduda Mahakna Makha Taraduna State Asida BJP Lengakna Lakpadagi Leptana Paikhalakliba Chawkhat Thorang Singi Manung Channa Startup Scheme Hogdokhibadagi Hauna Tongan ba Hiram Kayada Mai Pakraba Entrepreneur Kayana kaya thabak piduna scheme asigi kanaba phangrabasu makhata na hariba scheme asigi makhada lupa crore changarom bank ta taduna leiriba asi mafam chana sijinaba naha sing hotnaba kanba changi government job khak tanabagi mahut isa gi akhang ahei sijinaduna hotnabagi tangai fadaba lei haike Amadi RAM and UNNATI scheme asigi makhada lupa crore ahum na kontra amasum Manipur state ki share ojuna MSME amadi industrial gi thabak thorum kayada hanadagi hena khumang chawsin na changsin na duna state asigi mingchet hena purakpa ngamlagani haina so phongdokhe
akoina MOU ma sign tawne Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises to increase guarantee coverage of loans to MSEs and the startups. Startup ki some success hoy di haning de do startup na koi na hobo ki ba matam do degi huji paw da I really appreciate handa ki huji ki par ba matam sida startup to ki moi successful startup moi tare dipan tara ga tholaga IDP the lady displaced persons in Japan have pini and talk almost 300 IDP degi personnel individual has been given service to their enterprises. Me we taret kadana mi chohme tawpi I just start to give government give how we start to the thabak tor ko mayam dunani ko means profitable oibada natana mingonda thabak piba ngabe